This was the $250 vehicle, right? No glow plug. How smooth it runs. In a bit. That's my Mickey Mouse backflow bottle, return to tank. Way too much. I think it's got to get preset or tuned. This is a mock-up. Let me hold the phone the right way. This is a mock-up only. The parts will be used. They're not going to be thrown away or set aside. That's the intercooler. It sits nice and flush under the hood. It's going to have a decent gap under the hood too, which is, I don't know, good or bad. If I could put the fan on top, it'd probably be better because I'd have more room, because underneath there's not a ton of room there. I'm not even sure if it'll fit the hump. So I may change the design. They do have 4 lugs welded on here. There's 4 of these, you know, to bolt the cooler, the fan to. The turbo's clocked a little bit wrong, so I gotta loosen that and re-clock it. Not a big deal. There's lots of clearance underneath the turbo to the engine mount, even though it's snug, but it fits. It's only got 2 nuts holding the exhaust manifold on right now, and only 2 on the turbo. No gasket in there either, so I will lose in what, a couple mils? Not a big deal. The boost pressure pipe right here, set this piece of aluminum that I have to modify, because this is for a 1HZ, so I'm hoping the turbo is not going to cause me too much lag. So you can see the offset. I'll put this pipe on here, and again, it's for a 1HZ, so the intake manifold or crossover pipe is a little further back than where this one is. The 1PZ is closer to the front. The 1HZ, I believe, is right about here compared to this one. It's only like a ½ inch, 2 inches difference. So my boost side doesn't match. High pressure silicone line, and have it so it's got a S in it. Yeah, they should have one around. I mean, there's lots of turbo shops and that around here. And then I've got to work on this and that and other stuff, but it's hot. It's like 40 degrees. Anyway, it's not Aussie hot, but it's freaking hot here. But yeah, I polished the shit out of this. There's flaws in these here, spatter welds and that, but I had to file those down. I'm going to take the buffer to that again, but I mean, it polished up really nice compared to what it looked like. Unfortunately for this lovely plate, see the 2 holes? I assume it goes on this way, but even the 2 holes, they don't match. I mean, whoever the fuck measured that, just like, seriously, you're out. It hits. You can't even mount. Okay, no problem. I can work that out. I'm gonna have to mount it and then mark it and drill holes and blah 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 blah. But anyway, that's 78 cj7. It is getting the Toyota 1TZ diesel with a turbo being put onto it, intercooler, ta-da, and I have a power steering pump that has to go on. It's sitting over on the bench over there, and it's just a matter of time, and if it wasn't so bloody hot. So anyway, have a good day. Thank you.